What's the meaning of central? Central. Central.
Central. Central. The word central can refer to something that is located at the center or middle of a particular place or thing. It is often used to describe something that is crucial or essential to a larger system or organization. For example, a city's central business district plays a key role in its economy, and the central nervous system is critical to the functioning of the human body. Overall, when we use the term central, we are typically referring to something that is important, influential, or foundational.